Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. I'm about to show you how to make this delicious cheesy dipping sauce with just a few ingredients and it tastes absolutely amazing. Let's get into the recipe. Yum.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So I'm in the mood for a quick afternoon snack and I've just got a few random things that I've just pulled out of my fridge and my pantry. Being plant-based, I have pulled out some protein-based things that I've had left over in my fridge. These are plant-based proteins. So first up, I'm going to add some tofu. This is firm tofu and about 70 grams worth. And then I've got some leftover chickpeas. So that's about 2 tablespoons worth going in there. And then to add the cheesy flavour, I'm going to add some nutritional yeast flakes. These have a cheesy flavour, a umami flavour, and these particular ones are actually loaded with all the B vitamins, so B12 as well, which is really important to supplement if you're vegan or eating a plant-based diet. And then next up, I'm going to add some miso paste. So miso is amazing because it does actually taste very, very cheesy, and it's great if you're making dressings or sauces or vegan cheeses, then this is fantastic to use. I've got the white miso paste, I just like the taste of it, and that's what I've got on hand. And I'm adding a teaspoon of that as well to this small blender. And just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. The miso paste itself is going to add quite a bit of saltiness to this, so I don't want to add too much. You could also add salt and pepper at the end just to your own personal taste preference. And then I've got some plant-based milk, so about probably just over half a cup's worth. And I'm just going to start, and I'm going to put it all in there. If it ends up too soft, it's going to be a dressing. And then I'm just going to give this a blend up. Okay, so that has now blended for about a minute and a half, and it's kind of a mayonnaise-y consistency, so go easy on adding the milk if you want a thicker texture, but I'm going to use this for dipping some raw vegetables into, such as carrots and cucumbers, and then I'm also going to use it over my salad for my lunch tomorrow. So give this a try. Oh, that's so good. It's so rich and creamy by mixing the chickpeas with the tofu. Absolutely delicious. And if I wanted to thicken this up now, I could add in extra tofu or extra chickpeas and just keep working that until it's a thicker spread. But I'm very, very happy with this, and I'm going to use it as a dipping sauce, although I could just eat it straight out of the container right now. It's really, really delicious and so quick and easy to make. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, anyway, focus, Anya, focus. If you like this recipe, I would love for you to join me over on my Facebook group and also on Instagram. Tag me there if you make this and let me know what you use it on. I'd love to see you over there. I'll leave links to my Facebook group below and I would love to see you there. See you for the next recipe and have a great day.